Once more about acoustics of impacts as a factor of ensuring mutational and evolutionary transformations of the environment. Consider previously unexplored possibilities within the conceptual framework. Characteristics of the internal energy balance of material media were originally recognized by the authors. Between their different physical nature energy states, the real involvement of acoustic disturbances experienced by media in the conditions of existence into making sure of their and the physical world as whole and mutational and evolutionary transitions is taken into account. Introduction. Many of the world's biggest problems, like climate change and environmental destruction, remain unsolved partly because we still don't fully understand how nature changes and evolves over time. Specifically, we lack clear scientific explanations for how mutations and evolutionary shifts happen in the physical world. Traditional physics doesn't yet provide a complete picture of the forces and mechanisms driving these natural transformations. This work suggests that to make real progress, especially in solving practical problems like climate and ecological crises, we may need to explore scientific ideas that go beyond the limits of conventional physics. By expanding the way we think about the physical world and its changes, we can begin to build new models and methods that better explain how nature evolves and adapts. The ideas presented here build on the author's earlier studies and aim to take them further. The goal is to lay the foundation for a new approach to understanding the complex and interconnected systems that shape our environment, an approach that could open up new paths for solving urgent global challenges. Conclusion. The presented results of theoretical and experimental studies with a high degree of reliability substantiated the possibility of excitation of a particular nature by acoustic influences in a wide range of material media, at least among those used in the work, including neutron-forming reactions of intranuclear origin, which must provide mutational, and in relation to natural conditions, and evolutionary character transformations of the chemical and isotopic compositions of the structural components of the material world. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.